Hey guys, look what I have here. This is a really nice accessory for Meta Quest 3 and 3S. It's from BoboVR and we all know BoboVR is doing really good accessories. This is the so-called M3 Pro Plus battery strap. But there's also one without battery, the M3. And I will show it to you in this video. This is really great because it can switch between a halo design and an elite strap design. Wow, cool, right? And all the links, of course, and coupons are in the description. My name is Thomas and you're watching Voodoo.de. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
Voodoo.de.
Do you wear glasses and hate wearing them under your VR headset? They press against your face, fog up, or maybe even scratch the lenses. It doesn't have to be that way. These are the prescription lenses from VR Rock. These lenses are custom made based on your exact prescription. The result? Perfect clear vision in VR, completely without glasses. And the best part, they are magnetic. Installation is super easy. Attach the adapter once and the lenses just click into place. Holds securely and fits perfectly. Even if you don't need vision correction, they offer plano lenses with a blue light filter. This protects your eyes during long sessions. VR Rock uses an ultra slim frame to preserve your full field of view. Nothing breaks the immersion, and for the PlayStation VR 2, they've even added a special cutout at the nose bridge for maximum comfort. So ditch the glasses from your headset and enjoy VR the way it's meant to be. Sharp, clear and comfortable. A 10% coupon link and code is in the description. Okay guys, as I told you, this is compatible with Quest 3 and Quest 3S. The assembly is so easy. Just remove these arms from your old strap and on the other side and then put these on. That's it. There is nothing else. Perhaps, yeah, you have to put on the cable, but this is really easy. It's really easy. So, as I said, I have the M3 Pro Plus, but there's also the M3 without the included battery, but you can upgrade it later. So, both of them includes the dual mode, the two fit modes. So the first one is the halo design. So when I put it on, you have to tighten this here only a little bit, but this here, you tighten more. And now the headset sits on your forehead without pushing into your face. Yeah, and that's extremely comfortable. I mean, of course, when you move the headset, it's a little bit looser. Yeah, of course. This is this mode is for watching movies or web browsing or longer relaxed VR sessions, because it's not as stable as the next mode, and the next mode is the elite mode. So I will put it here again. I will loosen this. No, wait, that was the wrong way. This way, and then tighten the back. And now this is extremely tightened to my face. It's also comfortable, but of course this one pushes more into the face. But now you can play more like action games or fitness apps or fast-paced rhythm titles. So you can decide if you want the halo mode or the elite strap. This is just amazing. I think I've never seen that before. Did I? I'm not sure. I tested thousands of accessories, but this is really cool. I mean, it's not the S3. It doesn't have a cooler here, of course, but therefore you can switch between the two modes. Really cool. So it has the adjustable front knob and rear knob, and you can also adjust it here in the back and also here. Yeah, it's absolutely adjustable. I will put it mostly like this here. That's for me the best. And you can also, this is the M3 Pro Plus, of course, but if you have only the M3, then you can upgrade it So it has pre-engineered holder for the battery system, so you can upgrade it later. It has a removable rear cover with a Type-C pass-through, and the BM60 battery can be purchased separately if you want to upgrade the M3 to the M3 Pro Plus later. So, and now this one that I have here is, as I said, the M3 Pro Plus. It has every single feature of the M3, but includes a power supply system. And that means we have a magnetic BM60 battery included and a fast charging dock. So you just put it here, it's magnetic, and you put a cable here to, you need, of course you need a power supply. It doesn't come with a set, so you need a power supply. And then you can just put it here. As you can see, it's charged the Quest 3 now. And it has an indicator, it has a display here. For example, now it says 73%. And one of those BM60 batteries has a capacity of 6,500 milliampere hours. And I mean, of course, it depends on what you do. For example, if you just put the Quest 3 somewhere, don't use it, and it's empty, you can charge the Quest 3 with one full BM60 battery up to 90%, and the Quest 3 is even close to 100%. So it nearly doubles the game time for the headsets with only those small batteries. And as I said, it's hot swappable, so you can buy more of them and more of the stations and then just change them during the session. That's absolutely amazing, right? As I said, we have also like a display here that shows the current. Here's also a button. If you don't see it, push the button and then you see 37%. It also beeps during the operation when the capacity drops to 15%, and it beeps again at 10%. So you know, okay, perhaps I have to switch the batteries now. We also have fast charging. That means we support up to 18 watts of charging power. And yeah, I would say the charging time is around 1.5 to 2 hours to a full BM60 battery. Of course, as I said, you need a power delivery. It's not included in the box. We also have additional accessories. You can buy the so-called BM61 or BM62. These are extra batteries for non-stop sessions, right? So for example, the BM61 is one extra battery with a charging dock, like this one here. And then the BM62, it has two batteries, including the charging dock. It's really nice. Yeah, we have new batteries, like the BM60 is not compatible with the older M3 Pro strap. You need to know that. Only with the M3 Pro Plus. So let's talk about the prices. So the standard M3 dual mode comfort strap without the battery is €40 or $40. And I even have a coupon code until August that reduces the price to €30 or $30. And that's really cool. A head strap that can be adjusted to Halo and Elite strap design, and it can also be upgraded with a battery for $30 or euro. I think that's amazing. And with the quality of BoboVR, yes, I would say that's fine, right? And then this set, what I have here, the M3 Pro Plus, with the battery and with the charging dock is $60, and with my coupon $50, or €66 and with my coupon €56, which is also amazing, right? It's the full set here for $50. Wow. I mean, of course, it's not the S3 Pro. It doesn't have the fans here. So if you need the fan, if you need the cooling, you should go for the S3. But this one here is also nice. And then the BM61 battery pack with one battery is $30 or 46 euro. And the BM62 with two batteries and charging dock is $50 or 60 euro. Please guys, note that my coupon is only available until August 18th, 2026. Yeah. After that, you can still go via my link and support me a little bit, but you can save until this date. So make sure, if you want to get it cheaper, as soon as possible. In my opinion, this is a nice headset, a head strap that I didn't see before. Like, this is a really nice idea of BoboVR, that you can choose between Halo strap and Elite strap. So it fits for everyone. You can also adjust it, as I said, whatever you want. This is absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So, guys, I hope you like it. All the links are in the description. And also, if you want to support me, consider get a YouTube membership. For $1, you get behind the scenes videos, early access to my videos, and a lot of more stuff. Check out the link in the description. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. And see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
Voodoo.de